How do you know if your crypto portfolio is actually working for you? You might own Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe some altcoins, but are they growing your wealth or just stressing you out? Hey, I'm Stasha from SwapSpace Academy, and today we'll learn how to monitor and manage your portfolio so you invest smarter. Rule number 1. You can't manage what you don't measure. Start with the basics. Track your portfolio's total value, daily price swings, and your transaction history. Why does this matter? Your portfolio value shows if you're growing overall. Daily swings are like an early warning system for unusual volatility. And your transaction history, that's your diary. It shows how your past decisions are shaping your results today. But don't stop there. Look at historical performance. Is your coin holding value or fading slowly? And don't forget the fees. Track them in your portfolio and always check costs before confirming a transaction. In 2023, Binance users reported paying over $1 billion in fees combined. Imagine making a $200 profit but losing $60 to hidden costs. That's nearly a third gone. But numbers are only useful if you know what they mean. Check if your returns are worth the risk. Two portfolios can both return 20%, but if one was stable while the other was a roller coaster, which would you prefer? That's why pros use ratios like return on investment and Sharpe ratio to see if your profits are worth the risk. Compare your gains to big cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If they grew 30% while your portfolio grew 10%, you're falling behind the market. You know, doing all this by hand is exhausting. Luckily, there are tools. Portfolio trackers like Blockfolio, Delta, or CoinMarketCap can save you tons of time. They give you a full overview, real-time price alerts, and performance charts, all in one dashboard. Instead of checking 5 exchange apps, you just open one screen and instantly see if you're up or down. But managing a portfolio isn't set it and forget it. A few habits can keep it healthy. Check your portfolio regularly. Weekly or monthly is enough. Don't forget to ask, does it still fit my goals? Adjust when needed. Rebalance when one coin grows too big. If your altcoins suddenly outweigh Bitcoin, shift back. And always know your risk. Crypto is volatile. In March 2020, Bitcoin lost 50% in 2 days. Would that shake you out, or would you hold on? Now let's make this practical with a quiz game. I'll say a statement, and you decide. Smart portfolio management or risky mistake? Ignoring fees because profits will cover them? Rebalancing when one coin grows too big in your portfolio. Checking your portfolio 20 times a day. Using one app to track all your investments. Selling everything during the first dip. Answers 2 and 4 are smart. The rest? Risky. So tell me, are you more of a weekly rebalancer or a set and forget investor? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next lesson about how FOMO, FUD, and herd mentality shape investors' behaviors. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only and does not give any financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions.